Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your hotspot bandwidth on your Android phone. So on your Android phone, simply go to settings and you want to click on connection. On the connection, you want to scroll down and look for mobile hotspot and tethering. Here you want to ensure that you turn on your hotspot so that you can give access to the internet to other devices. But to change the speed, you want to tap on that mobile hotspot. Once you tap on it, you will scroll down and you will find an option that says band. So you can click on that and you can switch this from the 2.4 all the way up to high performance. You can even get up to 6 gigahertz. So if it's available, you can turn on 6 gig. And I'm going to turn this all the way to 6 gigahertz. So once you turn this on, it's going to ensure that it gives the fastest internet possible to different devices that is connected to your Wi-Fi, to your mobile hotspot. Then go ahead and click on save, guys, and then click on OK. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. That's how to change a hotspot speed on your Android phone to 6 gigahertz. Very easy and very simple.